Most people think World War II was won with tanks, planes, and massive battles. But some of the most important victories happened in quiet rooms, with pencils, paper, and locked messages. Today, we're looking at how codebreakers quietly shortened World War II.
Every army sends messages, orders, locations, supply plans. If the enemy reads those messages, the war changes instantly. So during World War II, every major power used secret codes. The most famous one was Germany's Enigma.
Enigma looked impossible to crack. It used rotating wheels. Each message changed the settings. One letter never became itself. And the combinations? Millions of billions. Germany believed Enigma was unbreakable. They were wrong. In Britain, a secret place existed called Bletchley Park. Inside were mathematicians, linguists, puzzle solvers. One of them was Alan Turing. They didn't attack with weapons, they attacked with logic. They searched for patterns, mistakes, repeated phrases. Slowly, the code cracked. Even after cracking Enigma, there was a problem. Codes changed every day. So the codebreakers built machines, early computers, designed to race against time. If they decoded a message fast enough, lives could be saved. This intelligence changed the war at sea. German submarines hunted Allied ships, food, fuel, weapons. But once codes were read, Allied ships avoided traps, convoys rerouted, U-boats were ambushed. Without code breaking, Britain might have starved. Here's the twist. The Allies couldn't act on every message. If they did, Germany would know the code was broken. So sometimes they let attacks happen to protect the secret. Historians believe code breaking shortened the war by months, maybe years. It saved millions of lives without most soldiers ever knowing. No medals, no parades, just silence. World War II wasn't only won on battlefields. It was won in rooms without windows by people who never fired a shot. And that quiet victory changed history forever. If you want more hidden stories from World War II, subscribe for the next episode. Because history isn't always loud. Sometimes it whispers.